This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to install pixels from external ad networks in HubSpot. If you're looking to track your website's performance and gather valuable data, installing these pixels is a crucial step. Pixels are tiny snippets of code provided by various ad networks, and they help you monitor your audience's behavior, track conversions, and optimize your marketing strategies. So let's dive right in and get your pixels set up in HubSpot. First, you'll want to navigate to the right area within your HubSpot account. Start by heading over to your settings. You can find this by looking at the top right corner of your HubSpot dashboard. Clicking on the gear icon will take you there. Once you're in the settings area, look for the content section. This is where you manage various aspects of how your site looks and functions. Under content, you'll see an option for pages. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the pages section, it's time to focus on the specific domain you want to track. If you have multiple domains, you'll see a list from which you can choose. Select the domain that you wish to install the pixel on. This is crucial because each domain might have different settings or requirements, and you want to ensure the pixel is tracking the right audience and data. Next, we need to find the right place to insert the pixel script. Look for the site header HTML section. This is where you'll paste the full pixel script provided by your ad network. The site header is an ideal spot because it loads on every page of your domain, ensuring the pixel can track data across your entire site. If you're unsure where to find the pixel script, it's usually provided by the ad network you're working with, such as Facebook, Google Ads, or any other. Simply copy the script from your ad network's interface. Once you've pasted the pixel script into the site header HTML section, make sure to save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure that the code is implemented correctly and starts working as intended. After saving, it's always a good idea to double check that everything is in order. You can do this by visiting your website and using the network's Pixel Helper tool or extension, which can confirm if the pixel is firing correctly. And that's it. You've successfully installed a pixel from an external ad network into HubSpot. With the pixel in place, you can now track user interactions, gather insightful data, and refine your marketing efforts based on real-time information. Remember, keeping your pixels up to date and making sure they are accurately tracking the data you need is key to effective marketing strategies. If you have any questions or run into issues, most ad networks offer robust support and documentation to help you troubleshoot. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now ready to leverage the power of pixels in your marketing efforts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Happy tracking!